to tell us whatever the consensus has been arrived at. Also, please do not mix up between consensus and conclusion. Consensus, what is consensus? It is just broad agreement. It is not finality, right? It's a broad agreement. Now, there are few things you have. The time for the whole exercise at SSB will be just about 20 to 30 minutes. So there are few things you have to keep in mind. First and foremost, please be very brief, crisp and to the point during your individual narration so that you have more time for your discussion. As a reference, we have told you that you should be taking just about 1 minute. Now, as far as the 1 minute is concerned, nobody is going to will have a stopwatch there. Nobody is going to time you. It is just your instinct. And one thing I am telling you, nothing irritates assessor more than anything a candidate beating around the bush or going after unnecessary and non-essential, unnecessary details, right? So that is because that also shows the clarity of mind and thinking, how you organize and structure your thought. So roughly it should be 1 minute. Having said that, here we would let you have little longer because it's a training, so we just be patient. There they will stop you. Okay, if you have been stopped, don't think, you should not be shaken up. Whatever you have been stated till then has gone on record. It means essentials have been spoken. So it should not upset you. You should be okay with that. It will not go against you. They will stop you. So they will say, thank you, story understood. They will be polite. So they will say that it means whatever they do, that after that they don't need. Whatever the essence of your theme you have said. But also see, again you have to respond. Don't make it so sketchy. Sometimes people here, they think hurry, they don't even structure it properly. Whatever you are saying, you have to. So basically you are required to tell just the broad gist of your narration, and you need not go into the minute details. Like here I tell you what are the minute details. Just to give an example, since we are talking, I tell you this. It happened here only. Some time ago there was a guy, he said that there was some laborer. She was working at some construction site. Her son came there and he saw something. He was possibly studying civil engineering or something. He noticed some flaws in the pillars. He brought to the notice of her mother. Mother told the supervisors, and so they saved the situation. They went home and his mother made sambar and idli for him. अब ये बताने क्या जरूरत थी? It's okay. So this is non-essential. You understand? So you have to, so no non-essential. Okay. So be smart. Dr. Narayan would say, please work. You have to work smart. SSB में वो applicable है. You have to do smart things, right? Okay. Next, throughout the exercise you will be remain seated and you are not required to stand up at any stage. Also, whenever you speak, please address to the group members and not to us. Except when the person who is nominated to present the group consensus, that is the only time when he or she will get up and stand up in front of her or his chair. That is the only time you look at the assessor, thank the group for giving you an opportunity, and then say whatever the group consensus has been arrived. Needless to say, here we are too close, right? There you may be, distance may be slightly more. So whenever you speak, please be loud enough so that everybody can hear whatever you are saying. You can speak in English or in Hindi at SSB, but no regional languages are permitted here, right? So we will begin with chess number 2, who is first on the sequence, and we will go on in numerical sequence with chess number 85. Chess number 2 will begin his individual narration, and moment he finishes, chess number 3 will take over from him without waiting for any signal or indication. We will follow the same procedure till chess number 85. Similarly, the moment chess number 85 finishes the individual narration, you can start off with the discussion, again without waiting for any signal or indication. Clear, ladies and gentlemen? Any question? No question? So let's have a good one. Okay, chess number 2, please start. We'll be discussing first picture.
Friends, what I perceive from the picture was, there are two characters and they are discussing about a social issue. And Ramu is my main character and he is working in a bank as an accountant. Okay, my story, Ramu is a newly joined accountant of Indian bank, and he found that many people loses money from their bank, and they don't even get the money back because they are not reporting into the bank at the time they are asked to. So that he reported it to the bank manager, showing that we should realize what the real problem and how can we solve this in social life. And he made an advertisement showing how to solve the problem, and he conveyed that RBI of India saying that we should report any loss of money from the account within 3 days in the bank. And he also used SMS facilities for knowing it to all the account holders. Thank you, friends.
In this story, I perceive that there are two characters. One is Yamu and his friends. Both of them are working in the same office. In one day, they are meeting in a restaurant, and Yamu said that in this locality, there are so many poor people. So he wanted to help them. They have no water, food, their child have no education. So he wanted to collect some money from their office and other workers and give it to them. So both of them do well and give money for them.
Friends, in the picture, I saw two female, around age 25 to 30 years. Both are friends who met after a long time and they were spending time in cafe. Both of them are having conversations and they're like, they ask each other what they have done after the college. So one of the friends, her name is Rekha, she owned an NGO who works for child trafficking problem, and the other one is a renowned lawyer. And then both of them were discussing about a serious problem where some girls were abducted and were now sex workers. So in that racket also involved a very renowned MLA. So the NGO owner Rekha, she was worried how to tackle this problem. But Sheila told her that she and her teammates will help her out, and they brought the case in the court. And both with the cooperating their resources and their efforts solve the problem, and then they later on made the case got succeed, and the MLA and the other person involved in that crime got convicted.
Friends, I perceived from my PPT there, I observed that there are two characters in the picture. And the discussion is going on. According to that picture, my main character is Rajesh, whose age will be between 18 years and he is in neutral mode. My story goes like this: where the village where Rajesh is living, he has no proper road facilities, so he came to know that his village is has no facility of proper roads. With his neighbor, whose age will be more than 5 years more than him, along with his neighbor, he went to give complaint to the office. And while the journey is going on, they feel tired and they went to coffee shop. There they refreshed themselves and they went to collector office. There they gave complaint to our collector and they got succeed in the sanctioning of the road to their village.
My friends, I perceived from after seeing those pictures is that Shama and Deep, they are working in a news channel as a reporter. When they are going for a evening walk, they saw that a recognized government officer just taking a bribe from a person. After thinking they that they had to be caught, they had to be take that officer into the in front of law. We do just go to that office and with camera on the button, telecast it on the evening news. They get appreciation from the society.
Very good morning to all gentlemen. After perceiving the picture, I saw the two characters. The first character which I saw is a male, is a female to her, is a positive mood. The other character is a female, he is a 18-year-old, he is a creative mood. Now the action on the story is helping sister in exam preparation. Now, Patrick, who is going to be a young man who is working in IT industry as a developer in Indore. One day he came to his home from his office. He saw that his sister was sad and depressed. Seeing such condition, he sat with her and talked with her and come to know that because of the pressure of exam, she was worried. So he told her, do not worry as it will affect his health and studies. And after that, he told he will help him to prepare for examination. So during his free time, he helped his sister in preparing a particular subject and topic in which she was weak. He also took the help of his friend to teach a subject in which they are good. And with the good effort of Patrick and a good determination of his sister, her sister passed the examination with a good marks.
Good afternoon, friends. What I saw in this picture was I saw two characters.